Cebu Business Month 2026 and celebrate the 30th year of this important initiative led by Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry. To be honest, when I first saw this year's theme, Padayon Cebu, it immediately resonated with me because it is something I have always been constantly saying throughout the past month. Padayon ta. Pero napaday ko gipunuan na, padayon ta, kay hawak na to ang bibig. Diba? Especially after everything Cebu has gone through recently. The challenges, the uncertainties, the disaster, and many difficulties our people have faced. Despite all of that, Cebu kept moving forward. Ni padayon ta og kanunay. And that is exactly what inspires me as governor. The resilience of the Cebuano spirit. Determination to continue working, rebuilding, innovating, and believing that better days are ahead. Under this belief of padayon ta, our administration has continued pushing programs focused on healthcare, food security, disaster preparedness, education, infrastructure, transparency, and economic growth. Because we understand that progress cannot stop even during difficult times. We continue strengthening investor confidence, opening opportunities for businesses, supporting MSMEs, improving government services, making sure that businesses are not overtaxed, and see to it that there's ease of doing business, and building stronger partnerships because we want every Cebuano to feel that development is real and inclusive. And one thing I truly appreciate is how collaborative the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry has been. Your willingness to work hand in hand with me and the provincial government, as well as stakeholders, entrepreneurs, and community shows that real progress happens when we move together with a shared vision for Cebu. I personally appreciate all our discussions. I learned a lot from you all and enjoy the company of smart minds, including during the fun and insightful trip we had in Cebu Tokyo Trade Mission, which you successfully organized. For 30 years, Cebu Business Month has helped inspire innovation, partnership, investment, and opportunities, not only for Cebu, but for the entire region. And today, more than ever, we need this spirit of collaboration and optimism. Because Padayon Cebu is more than just a slogan. It is a reflection of who we are as Cebuanos. Resilient, hopeful, hardworking, and forward-looking. As long as we continue supporting one another and working together, I truly believe that Cebu's best days are still ahead. Daghan kayong salamat and congratulations to the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and Industry for another meaningful Cebu Business Month. Padayon ta Cebu.